Hello guys, in this video, I want to introduce you about Isascii. But before I explain this topic, please like, subscribe, comment, and share so that I will be more enthusiastic in making other interesting videos. Isascii is a part of modified strings in Python. The Isascii method returns true if all the characters are ASCII characters. For syntax, I will show you in my screen. Therefore, let us see my screen. String.Isascii. The most important thing that you have to know, there is no parameter value in Isascii. Now, I will give you an example in my screen. So, let us see my screen. txt equals plus 1, 2, 3 x equals txt dot Isascii. Round brackets print x. That's all from me guys. Hopefully this video is useful and see you in the next video.